Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we're going to take a quick look at another watch I received off of eBay. Came out of Thailand. We're going to open this bad boy up and see what we got. Now I'll start talking about it. This is going to be another Orient Sea King. Now if you guys watch my videos and subscribe, you know I actually have two other Sea Kings, and we'll take a look at those in this video as well. I actually have the back off of one of them because I know there's definitely some question to whether the watches are authentic. You know, some of these ones coming out of Thailand are claimed to be new old stock. And to be honest, I believe the ones I have received were like new or new old stock. Now, whether that's true or not, I'm not 100%. I've had a couple of guys on Watchgang that are really into these as well that say they're legitimate. And when I pulled the case back off of the one, we'll take a look at that movement. I think it looks correct. Let's see here. But this is a color I have wanted for quite some time. Looks like there might be a little mark. So, another Sea King. This one's bracelet doesn't look to be in as good shape as some of the others. A little bit of discoloration. I mean, from what I've seen, yeah, if you notice, looks like a little discoloration. Maybe I'll clean up. From what I've seen, most of these coming out, I've had one of mine came with the plastic still on it, and some of the ones, if you look, there's actually still the plastic on the back. Some of them I think discolor a little bit just due to the age, but I really like that color. Hey guys, I actually had to kind of reshoot part of this because I had an issue with the video, so hopefully I don't go over the same thing too many times. But I think we were taking a look at the second language there, and the fact that the days are numbered, which is different in this movement, or at least in that date wheel, than what is in my orange and my green one. Let me just move those out of the way. If you notice, I believe we have Arabic writing and no number after the days. Now, this one actually moves the inner bezel. If you noticed, I've got the crown pulled all the way out and the second hand is still moving, so it is not a hackable movement, nor can you manually wind these movements. Now, speaking about the movement, this has the, let's see if I can get in there close, the Orient 21 jewel 46 941 movement. Now, when I was trying to look up these a little bit deeper, I saw some pictures of some of the different years of these particular movements and the way that weight is shaped. Now, because of this, the way the cutout is right here on that weight, I believe this one to be a 1975 and up version of this movement. Which, to be honest, I kind of figured these Sea Kings were in the 80s anyway. So, but there's a look at the movement. I'm going to throw the case back on this one and we'll take a look at this color compared to the others. And you can see my third Sea King is the orange. Now I know it might be hard to see, but all of these dials have kind of a sunburst effect and they look amazing in the sunshine. If you want some better pictures of when they're in the sunshine, follow me on Instagram at Watchin with Wade or Twitter with Watchin with Wade. These ones do pop up in my watch of the day photos. I'll throw this one on wrist really quick. Before we do that, I am wearing that Aragon Sky Guardian that you guys might have seen me do the box opening on. Stay tuned for a follow-up on this. Also stay tuned for the mystery box opening from Aragon, which will be Saturday, February 3rd. Before we go too far, guys, just wanted to give a quick shout out to I Review Crap, another YouTube channel. I'm going to throw his channel link in the notes below. He gave us a shout out, which was really awesome. He's trying to put a spotlight on some of the growing and smaller channels, which is really, really cool. So head over, check out his channel as well. He's got a lot of cool vintage watches. He's done a lot of random reviews and some weird, just random watches that are super cool. And I really like his reviews. So make sure you go and head over, check out his channel. There's what the Sea King looks like on wrist in that silver blue. We got the green and we've got the orange. Let me know which one you guys like in the comments below. Which one's your favorite? I actually think I might end up with a pink or a purple one next as my collection grows. I believe there's like 15 different versions of color variations on this watch, and I dig them all. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. As always, thanks for watching.